Court below, my lordship, this court is directed to the petitioner husband to pay the 75,000 amount and
75,000 per month.
No, my lordship.
Respondent
Yes.
is directed to pay interim maintenance of rupees 20,000 per month.
Yeah.
Granted, what is your income?
No, unemployed, my lordship. She has disclosed her source of income before this court. She has an income tax assessee, my lordship. This honorable court observed that respond to wife is that IT income tax assessee. She has not disclosed her income tax statement before the family court, my lordship.
All
Yes.
of them are
Yes.
interim arrangements. Now this has come up for final hearing now.
Yes, my
We'll
lordship.
hear it.
Yes, my lordship.
So what is to be done now?
We had sought for 50,000 rupees as the maintenance amount after understanding all of the circumstances,
What was your stand before the court with regard to your income?
because he was handling all the financial things about the wife from beginning till the end. If you can see the income tax assessment, my lords, because there are two sons, my lords, for them whatever maintenance needs to be paid.
What was the interim order by this court?
By this court, my lords, 5,000 was stayed and 15,000 rupees was allowed to be paid till.
When court is asking you something on facts,
Yes,
why
sir.
do you want to rely on law?
Sorry, my lordship. My lordship, respondent wife filed an intermittence application before the family court on 22/5/2018, seeking a maintenance, my lordship. And she has stated in her petition, my lord, she has taken
No. What is this petition about? What is the order passed by the court below?
court below, my lordship. This court is directed to the petitioner husband to pay the 75,000 amount and
75,000 per month.
No, my lordship.
20,000.
20,000. Interim order is 20,000 per, my lordship. That is an order by the family court, my lordship, 14/10/2020, my lordship. And same order has been challenged before this court, my lordship. And this court is directed
But I've seen that. I'm
Yes.
asking about what is the order, impugned order?
import order of is subject to condition, my lordship, 5,000. Rest of the 15,000, the petitioner husband has to pay, my lordship.
Please come to the impugned order, page number
38,
Page number
to portion. The
30.
respondent
Yes.
is directed to pay interim maintenance of rupees 20,000 per month.
Yes, my lordship.
20,000 to
Yes.
petitioner, 1 to 3,
Yes, my lordship.
1 to the wife and 2 children.
Yes, my lordship.
Wife and 2 children, 20,000 is granted. What is your income?
No, unemployed, my lordship. Already we are filing assets liability before this court, my lordship. What happened, my lordship, in this matter, my lordship? On 5/11/2020, this court has directed the both parties to file an assets liability. After that, my lordship, what happened is before the respondent wife has taken her contention before the family court. She has no source of income, my lordship. In her petition, she has stated. But here, my lordship, respondent wife filed an application before this court on 17/1/2024, my lordship. She has disclosed her source of income before this court. She has an income tax assessee, my lordship. And this court also observed that on 5/23/25 order, my lordship, 25/3/2024, my lordship.
Yes.
On 25/3/2024 order, my lordship, this honorable court, my orders in my lordship. In that order, this honorable court observed that respond to wife is that IT income tax assessee. She has not disclosed her income tax statement before the family court, my lordship. She is suppressing the material fact before the family court to get a favorable order, my lordship. After this, my lordship, this court directed the petitioner husband to pay the 75,000, my lordship. And this respondent petitioner husband has paid 75,000 rupees on 23/4/2024, my lordship. Your lordship says that 75,000 you have to pay. Then respondent petitioner husband had paid on 23/4/2024, my lordship.
Interim measure. Now
Yes, my
we have to hear it and
Yes,
dispose
my
it off finally.
After that, my lordship,
So what is to be done?
and on my lordship, another order is there. This honorable court order on 2/11/2023, my lordship. This honorable court directed the petition husband 2 lakhs rupees. He has to pay the 2 lakhs rupees. That petition husband had paid the 2 lakhs rupees, my lordship. On 4/12/2023, he has.
Understand,
Yes,
all
yes,
of them are
yes.
interim arrangements. Now this has come up for final hearing now.
Yes, my
We'll
lordship.
hear it.
Yes, my lordship.
So what is to be done now?
My lordship, this order has to be quashed and set aside remand back to trial court because she is an IT holder, income tax assessee. She has filing the false update before the trial court to get a favorable order, my lordship. And the criminal misdemeanor is already pending before the family court, my lordship. That court has to decide in accordance with the whatever the status of the parties, my lordship. But here she has filing the false update before the family court, my lordship. And here, my lordship, on 17/11/2024, she herself is admitted, my lordship, I am the income tax assessee, income tax returns. And this court observed on 25/3/2024, my lordship. Order dated 25/3/2024, my lordship. This is misleading the court, and we are filing the objection Assets and liability, we are filing the objection before this court, my lordship. How she has playing fraud upon this court, my lordship.
Yes.
May I submit, my lords? My lords, firstly, my lords, in the trial court, my lords, an order was, IA number 2 was, filed, and under 125, an order was passed by the court. We had sought for 50,000 rupees as the maintenance amount. After understanding all of the
Paul,
circumstances.
Is she,
Yes, my
what
lord.
was your stand before
My
the
lords,
court?
what happened is, my lords, in
This, then you can answer. What was your stand before the court with regard to your income?
my lords, she's a housewife. That was a stand before the trial court. And subsequently, when we came before the high court, when the matter came up before the honorable court, then we told that because he was handling all the, financial things about the wife from beginning till the end. If you can see the, income tax assessment also, my lords, it is filed from 2014 to 17, where she got married in the year 2012. And, she said she came back and she filed this miscellaneous in the year 2018. And then, my lords, we were asked
So
to
all
file
these
it.
aspects,
Yes, my
all
lords.
these issues were stated before the court below?
No, my lords, we have, the trial
Why?
court, it was not canvassed before the trial court, my
Why?
lords. Because, my lords, the fact that on record or which was there is that she is a housewife, my lords, and she was with her father. And she was not aware of all these things, my lords, because nowhere in time she have, done anything with regard to business or any of it, my lords. It was because the husband wanted her to, come on record. You can see the documents that they have produced, my lords. Even all of it was, he was a surety. The loans was, acquired because of him. And everything was done by him and maintained
Now,
by him.
what we'll do is.
Yes, my lords.
Whatever, as per the order, interim order, whatever he is paying, let him continue to pay.
Yes, my
Set aside this order and we'll remand it. Let the court with all their objections, your objections, let the court decide.
Yes, my lords. But my lords, because there are two sons, my lords, for them, whatever maintenance needs to be paid. that
What was the interim order by this court?
By this court, my lords, 5,000 was stayed and 15,000 rupees was, allowed to be paid. Till now, my lords, is not paid. Only by the order of this court is paid, my lords.
Oh, now the fact remains is, has he paid or not? He says he's paid
He's
2
paid
lakh and
2,70,000
75,000.
from beginning, but the arrears is about 11 lakhs, my lords, from the date of this thing till now, my
So,
lords.
my lordship,
2018 is not paid.
sorry,
Only
my lordship, will not take more than 1 minute.
Not judgment.
So, Supreme Court,
What is the
sir,
amount that is?
in
that is
regarding in
paid?
the, sir, my lordship, in this regarding, my lord, what Supreme Court says, matter, will not take more than 1 minute.
When court is asking you something on facts,
Yes,
why
sir.
do you want to rely on
Sorry.
law?
Sorry, my lord.
Now the court has passed an order. How much you have paid till now?
My lordship already, unemployed, my lordship, already, your lordship already has paid 75,000 last date, my lordship. And earlier that he has paid 2 lakhs rupees. Even the family court, he has paid, what is the 90,000 he has paid, my lordship. And whatever the merit is there, my lordship, family court, let them court pass in family court order, my lordship. Because income tax assessing, my lordship, she has filing IT returns before this court, my lordship. Producing the entire documents, my lordship. 17/1/2024, my lordship.
How
Kindly,
much is earning according to you?
what,
How much is earning?
my lordship, he has, my lordship, on 2014-15 IT returns, my lordship, dated 17/12/2024,
When is the MC filed?
2018, my lordship,
2018.
18, my lordship.
Why are you concerned about 14, 15 IT returns?
No, madam, because they are putting in document before this court, and 15-16 are there, my lordship, 15-16 academic year, my lordship.
15 or there?
Yes, my lordship,
Hmm.
and 16-17, my lordship. 16-17 is
How much is her income on 16, 17?
4,16,748, my lordship.
Hmm.
And she has not in her petition, my lordship, I'll not, page number 20, my lordship, page number 20, my lordship. What she has stated in her petition, my lordship.
Page number?
Page number 20, my lordship.
Hmm.
Page number 20, my para 5. The petition submits that respondent, her mother and his cousin, Santosh brother and Kiran so-and-so beyond the respondent. So-and-so she has written. And what happened, my lordship, in this case also, she has filing the false criminal case against his cousin's brothers also. And same has been quashed, my lordship. And what she has taken the contention, my lordship, and she is filing the false case 354D against the husband, my lordship. How she has
Sir,
conduct.
counsel, please restrict your arguments.
And
to the-
second point, my lordship, and serial number 7, next page, my lordship, serial number, page number 21, para 7, my lordship.
Yes.
Last line, 6 lines, my lordship. Petitioner, the first petitioner has no source of income, and she has Then housewife, the petitioner 2 and 3 are the minors. The petitioner has no source of income to maintain themselves. And she is filing the false update before the family court, and she has a sufficient source of income, my lordship. And she is an IT holder in the year of 2017 also, my lordship. And she has taken the contention that in the para fifth, my serial number 5th, page number 20.
Yes, my
Income
lords.
tax returns you filed in the year 2018 or 17
No,
also.
16 and 17, my lords. That was the
17 you
last
filed.
thing. But when she canvassed it in the trial court, no, my lords, I just, because the court asked it, I talked to the trial court advocate. On that day, when they filed this application, my lords, she was a housewife having no source of income, and it was maintained. She was, with her father. That was a fact, my lords. And the trial court also, when they gave all the documents, my lords, up to exhibit no, P10, they have, no.
No,
done.
as per the judgment of the
ma'am.
apex court, both
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
filed your statement of SSL liabilities before the court below and let the
Yes,
court
my
below
lord.
decide it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my lords.
The,
But only submission was that, my lord, this arrears, whatever was there, my lords, they have not paid one, my lords. And now, my lords, the father also have expired, my lords.
like,
So
take,
two
take
son
your-
minors.
Take your reports.
Yes, my lords.
Now the order is set aside today.
Yes, my lords.
Take your reports to the law.
Yes, my
How it
lords.
is recovery is. And whatever, if it is now 5 months, now during the pendency of this, that 15,000, whatever, you
Yes,
can have.
that we will, yes, my lords.